You recording right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't sure. Those rims are dope though.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell this if you want it. DM me. Another.
Damn, that's fat.
I know.
Downriver Vintage Instagram. Mine won't. I don't know why, but it won't let me post anything. Guys. So those are all you guys. And I don't want them to go bad.
Dude, I love it.
Big suck.
It says, "Hey David, hope you enjoy the ALVXAF. Thanks the crew at BSD." And it's Merry Christmas from BSD.
That's sick.
Yeah.
That's really sick. I miss when skateboards used to give you like a bunch of goodies every time you bought a deck.
That's some bullshit.
$20 for one sticker. So they don't sell them in their formats.
I got 2 posters.
Oh, this guy just
Look
looks
at this. I got 3 posters from my guys.
God damn it.
I was actually kind of sad.
I would like to buy your iPhone 6 Plus because I put it on there for $10.
Putting grease on because every time I build a bike on YouTube
no,
and don't put grease on, people yell at me.
We get it, Dave.
Sorry I didn't grow up around people.
But I kind of don't feel like doing it. You're poor.
Yeah, I don't buy anyone.
Well, I have these gift cards that my mom gave me.
I bought me this bike for
one of those
Christmas.
gift cards.
Oh.
Probably 25.
Who's this?
It's the guy buying the phone. You just
Oh, okay. Close your eyes.
Hold on. Open your eyes.
No.
Really? For me?
You did.
Is this my Christmas present? Oh, my hand! Oh.
Okay, cool. Just ruined Dave's poster.
Biker bot exporting
This
waste files.
Yeah, what the heck?
No, dude, I'll iron it. It's fine. See ya.
Just the one?
Just one.
It's nice.
I have a thing with right cranks.
Look at the...
Yes. I'll build my bike.
Okay.
You fix your tube, alright?
I need... Duh. Oh, yeah. Let me put this in there.
Nice. Man, this is nice grease. Thanks for letting me steal it from you, Mike.
Yeah, sure, I guess.
What's my name?
Would you ask me to call you DJ Turkey Butt Puddle?
When did you ever ask Siri to call you that?
Like 4 years ago? Oh, so you're being serious. I'm sorry.
Does this look like my other one right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's 12.5.
I know, and I want that extra 0.4.
So I want to get my wagon on it soon.
My tires.
What?
Oh, that was it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Like the
Think
monogram?
No.
Guys, it's coming.
So it's not that bad.
Blend it. Let's...
Hey guys, this is my 2019 bike check. So starting out, I have a BSD ALVX AF frame, so it's like the newest version of the frame. It just came out. It's 20.6 top tube, and all the other dimensions are basically the same as the old BSD frame. Like the 12.5 back end, but this time it has like extra tire clearance. It's in the color Day Glow Yellow. Moving up, I have the S&M Perfect 10 bars. I have them cut down an inch on each side. This is in the matte raw clear. I have Odyssey Brock Radford grips in the toothpaste colorway with Odyssey par ends, and all of that is connected to an EthikClothingCo Onyx stem, I think. And then I just have a BSD high-rise headset. To finish off the front end, I got Odyssey F25 forks, so it's 25mm offset. It doesn't make me better at nose manuals, but I can hang 5. And then the front wheel is a G-Sport Elite front wheel, so it's the rollaway hub laced to the toothpaste G-Sport ribcage rim. And then I have the Odyssey Path Pros. These are 2.4. Of course, I got my lucky dice. And these are EthikClothingCo Venom pegs, 4.8. For the rear wheel, I have the same setup with the G-Sport Elite Complete Free Coaster wheel, so it's a G-Sport ribcage and toothpaste laced to an Odyssey Clutch V2. I have the same tire, the Odyssey Path Pro as the front, and I have this one on backwards for backwards manuals. So moving over, I have the Shadow Supreme interlock chain, which is actually pretty nice. I really like the Shadow chains, but this one's nice. For my sprocket, I have the EthikClothingCo AK guard in 28 tooth with the plastic nylon removable guard, so I'm missing 2 of the bolts, but oh well, it works fine. I still can't crank arm. So I have the Demolition rig cranks in 24mm with a 24mm BSD bottom bracket. So I got the cranks in 165. Supposedly that makes crank flips a little easier to kick and gives you a little bit of more pop. I have the Odyssey JCPC pedals. I've been running these probably over a year now, and all I need to do is get new pins. So moving up now, I have a BSD pivotal post with a Fiend Time RFC. Alright, so now that I finished going through the parts list on my new bike, here's some clips of me riding in it, and check out the links in the description for more riding videos, and subscribe.
Ah! Here we're doing that.
Nah, I don't got anything. That doesn't count.
And then, yeah, the bonus of it is that you fucking...
That 180 was a lot better.
Thank you. Thank you, Hayden.